Good morning, guys. So we hopped back in our tuk-tuk after a very relaxing night's stay at Newenham Nature Resort, camping and swimming and just having a very nice relaxing time. And right now we're walking to Aberdeen Falls, which is a pretty spectacular waterfall. I've never been here before, so I'm excited to check it out. We were the only people driving for about 20 minutes on this road, so there are definitely not going to be any other tourists here. You actually have to walk past all these local people's houses. They got all their washing hanging out to dry. Wow! So apparently this place is actually named after Aberdeen, the third biggest city in Scotland, in the district of Aberdeenshire. And there's a huge pool apparently you can go swimming in, and we're nearly there and I'm really excited to get in. Super slippy. Wow, so cool. Wow. Oh, there's someone swimming. Doesn't look dangerous. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh! It's nice, but it's a little bit cold. Minutes away?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Right, 20 minutes. Cool. You come here often?
No, I'm a doctor in Navalapiti hospital.
Oh
So I
wow!
came for, yes.
Yeah, cool. You have a day off.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
This is our sister.
That's your sister?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, cool. Hello. You're not going swimming? No? So nice. You should come in.
Sometimes she is shy.
Oh, okay. Pretty cool because there's this sandbar right in the middle of like this swimming area. So you can see the waterfall here, and then you can sort of chill out on the sand. And then if you feel like going swimming, you can just run in. Yeah, we have made new friends.
Hey, you.
Where are you from?
I'm Sri Lanka.
Where in Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka and Kitugala.
Kitugala?
Kitugala.
Oh, you were in Kitugala last night. Yeah, we stayed there last night.
Rafting.
Yeah, we didn't go rafting, but we stayed there near the river. We went swimming near the river. And
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Got it, got it.
Really cool. Just hold hands.
Like
look
this.
at
Okay.
You're getting the classic Instagram picture with a random stranger. This is so funny. Like he's getting an ass shot of you. So nice. Sri Lankan people are so friendly. We always make friends everywhere we go. Orange juice with an ant in it. Really, there is. This woman has let me stay on her couch because it's so hot outside. So I'm actually inside of their shop. Oh, it's orange. Yeah, so good. So good.
You're gonna need it after that hike. Oh, come on, you need it. Bottoms up.
So hot. I need like a tissue or something. You gonna sit down?
Me?
Yeah. want?
Yeah, I actually don't mind sitting. I definitely just don't want orange juice though. It doesn't look like orange juice. It looks like...
It's orange. It is. She showed me the orange.
Oh, really?
It is orange juice. It's just got a lot of water in it as well. This is the man that works here. Okay, decided to stop for a quick photo spot because it's so beautiful here. We are on the road from Kitugala to Hatton. Look at these views. Our cute little tuk-tuk. We have decided to take a quick pit stop here at a viewing spot to see St. Clair's Major Falls, which is one of the kind of top waterfalls in the Nuwara Eliya region. We're still about an hour from Nuwara Eliya, but I don't know if you can see it there. I'll zoom in and show you what it looks like anyway. So there are some pretty cool designs of the tea plantations here, as you can see. Pretty cool viewing terrace. Okay, we are nearly in Nuwara Eliya. We had to stop off here at the Edinburgh Tea Estate because look at this light and look at this view. Ah.